Hi guys, so today we will be making a rum cake. You're gonna need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 a cup of cornstarch, 1 1/2 cup of sugar, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, and a 1/2 cup of teaspoon of salt. And then you're gonna blend that all together. Alright. Then in the second bowl, you're gonna add 5 eggs, a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, a 1/2 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, a 1/2 cup of dark rum, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and 1/4 teaspoon of rum flavoring. And then you're gonna mix that together, right? Once you have combined all of your liquid ingredients together. Then you're gonna pour half of it into your dry batter and mix it until you have dissolved all of the dry batter and mixed it evenly into your liquid batter. Once you have done so, and you see the color changing, then you will add the rest of your batter, liquid batter, which you will mix for another 2 minutes, all right, at medium speed. Now once you have finished that, you'll see mix out nice and evenly, and you're gonna spray your pan, right, with some butter. And then I added some breadcrumbs that I diced together in a blend with some pecans, alright, to add some texture to the outside layer of the rum cake. Once you have mixed in your batter evenly, you're gonna bake at 350 for 20 minutes, and then rotate your batter in the pan, and then cook for another 20 minutes at 300. Once you're finished, you're gonna screw holes throughout the rum cake, alright? And in a saucepan, I have mixed 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, 1/4 cup of water, a 1/2 cup of sugar, a 1/2 cup of dark rum, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, alright? And then you're gonna let it cool in the refrigerator, and it is the finished product. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed as much as I enjoyed making it.